Hello, everyone. If you are an automation tester and you can't answer this simple Python string question, interviewers will reject you in 5 minutes. Let's fix this right now. Most automation testers know Selenium very well, but fail interviews just because of basic Python strings. And we will fix this straight away by going through a couple of questions in string. So welcome everyone. Welcome to Akansha Academy. This is Automation Tester Python interview series, and this is the episode 4. So welcome to this video. And without further much ado, we'll start straight away with the question. Okay, so we'll solve few string related questions. The first question is reverse a string. Okay, now this is a very common question. You can encounter this question in 90 to 95% of the first round of your interview. Okay, so let's start now by actually executing this. So we have what we have done. We have initialized a variable s with the name Python. Okay. Now we'll solve this question with the help of string slicing. And I'll show you some basics of string slicing. Let's suppose I'm not giving anything. Okay. So it will print Python. This is the start index. This is the end index. Okay. And the last is the step counts. Okay, so let's suppose I want to print everything like by skipping one character. Okay, after p it should print t and then o. Okay, so we can do this. Now let's suppose I want to reverse. So instead of going one step ahead, I will be going one step backwards, and in this way I'll be able to reverse a string, right? So it was very simple, right? And you have understood the concept. So I am very sure you'll be able to answer this during your interviews also, right? So with this confidence, let's move to the next question. Find the length of a string without using len. Okay. So let's suppose we have this string. Let's initialize it once again in the variable s. Now, if I'm already aware of Python, what I'll do, I will just print this length of s and it will give me the output 10. So the length of this is 10. But the question has find the length of a string without using the length function. Okay. So what we can do, length of string, let's initialize it with 0, and then we can loop through for I in s. Length of string is equal to length of string plus 1. For each characters, we are increasing the counter, right? And then if you print the length of string, it will give you 10, right? So what we did, we iterated through, we initialized with 0, then when we are in this a, we increased it by 1, so it became 1 2. Similarly, for each and every character, the counter kept on increasing until the last character in the string, and hence we got 10 as the result, right? So this is iterating through a string. Okay, we saw string slicing, and the last question would be converting string to uppercase. Okay, so this is the last question for today. Many times we are required, let's suppose, okay, this is init cap. So what we can do, we can initialize some string with this. Okay, now for getting the uppercase, what we do, we have this method string dot upper, right? And we got automation. And if we want to find out the lowercase, It will be string dot lower, right? So wasn't it very easy? So similarly, like if you have stayed till this point in this video, please like the video, guys. Okay, please subscribe to Akansha Academy for more such videos, and also share it with everyone, all the people you know, so that they can also get benefited with our videos. Okay, thank you so much. We'll be back with another video in this series. Stay with us, and we'll make your interview experience very easy, very better, and you'll be much more confident. Thank you so much.